Assalamu alaikum. Ukuthula makubekini. Vuka dackie. Vuka Africa. Le ngizoyisho ngesilungu ngoba ngifuna ukuthi bangizwe kahle ukuthi ngithini. Ngiyazi ukuthi le video izofika kubo. Labe ngikhuluma ngabo. Abaziyo ukuthi omkhulu babo benzani kithi thina ama-Africans. Ngizoyisho ngesilungu ke le. Vuka dackie. Vuka Africa. They killed Nkwane Nkrumah of Ghana because he wanted to unite Africa. Vuka dackie. Vuka Africa. They killed Patrice Lumumba of Congo because he wanted Congo resources to benefit her people. Vuka dackie. Vuka Africa. They killed Thomas Sankara of Burkina Faso because he told France to leave them alone, to leave Africa alone. Vuka dackie. Vuka Africa. They killed Muammar Gaddafi of Libya because he wanted to build United States of Africa with one currency. Vuka dackie. Vuka Africa. They killed Samora Machel of Mozambique because he resisted Portuguese and apartheid forces. Vuka dackie. Vuka Africa. They killed Amilcar Cabral of Guinea-Bissau because he exposed neo-colonialism and refused foreign control. Vuka dackie. Vuka Africa. They killed Steve Biko of South Africa because he taught Africans to love their skin and fight apartheid. Vuka dackie. Vuka Africa. They killed Chris Hani of South Africa because he was uniting black people to demand freedom. Vuka dackie. Vuka Africa. They killed Dad Kimati of Kenya because he led a Mau rebellion against British colonizers. Vuka dackie. Vuka Africa. Now, Africa, let Africa come together and protect Ibrahim Traore of Burkina Faso before they silence another African voice. Africa must rise. Africa must rise. They killed Patrice Lumumba of DRC. They killed Patrice Lumumba of DRC. You know what they did to him? They melted him with an acid until only one tooth of his was left. Vuka dackie. Vuka Africa. Let us fight to bring Africa back. Let us fight to bring El Kabuleni back. Let us fight to bring our motherland back. Vuka dackie. Vuka Africa. Ngiyabonga.